Hi guys, welcome everyone. On the next video today, I'm gonna cover one of the stock which is absolutely in bullish position right now. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna study the force on the market. So as I always used to repeat to our students and those who are subscribers, that charting or analyzing the market is studying the force, sometimes candle by candle, minute by minute, day by day. It depends on the time frame you are using. But today we will go to daily chart, one of the US stock which we find out recently during the seminar we run here in our office with local traders. We were studying the market, and of course we went through a lot of different stocks from US market, and we really find out something what on today's session supposed to, I think, go really high, and the stock with very big potential. To remind everyone, this is not any trading recommendation. This is only my opinion. So this video has only education purpose. And today I'm also gonna cover accumulation by Richard Wyckoff, and also I'm gonna show you the indicator I'm using for studying the force and to track the big money on the market. So also I'm gonna cover the topic how to use the volume in trading, and how to use the volume to judge the market. So so what you see here, this is DFH. This is a ticker, Dream Finders Home Incorporation. You can check also on your own. You can check on Yahoo Finance or any other website the financial condition of this stock. But what I'm looking for, and what is my favorite first pattern which usually appear on the market, this is the volume, the big volume spike which is here. And what it means for me, it's absolutely very simply reading. This is a smart money, institutional money, composite men, however you want to call them. That's the institutional big capital which came on the market. And I wanna just study this and try to answer if we only can see them in this place, or maybe they are hiding their buying action or selling action somewhere here, because simply volume is not enough. The such indicator which is available on each platform is not enough to judge a market, but is very useful once you are start studying any asset. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna draw the line here where I see this low. The big volume came here on this very I would say maybe not very, but narrow candle that was exactly 24 of June 2022. I'm usually, when I see such action and the low, I'm drawing the horizontal line, and I'm looking what is happening at least for one or two lows like here. And then I'm looking what investors, speculators are doing around this line, because if you draw your line properly, my teacher David Wise used to say, always look at the lines. The lines are telling the stories. So let's see what the story this chart gonna tell us once we will put some lines here. So what is the story on this chart? Here's some on the session 24th of June. Some very big sell off came here, but in the same place. When the sell-off appear, buyers step in the market and say, hey, it's quite cheap for us. This is how I understand it. Yeah, let's give us, as much as you have, let's give us, and we're gonna buy it. So After this action, we had some rally, okay, but it was really hard to decide about the trade here. I wouldn't decide it, but right now, yes, I think it's absolutely good market position for enter the trade. But once again, guys, it's not any recommendation to buy or sell. Okay, that's only for education purpose. So have a look here. Market came back again, test this low, and here there was some random action. Market go high, go low, again to this line, go high, go low. We create some kind of the range, and we have the breakdown. Okay, breakdown. The volume wasn't huge. It means there is no more supply on the market, and the market did the side range again. We tried to recover, we couldn't, and we have only 3 sessions when we break down 1, 2, 3 sessions, and we immediately go back to this main range and did such rally. So once the rally was done by the market, okay, I think the proper range is here. We have a spring position here. So if you are very familiar with Wyckoff methodology, if not, I encourage everyone, because that is studying of the force, and market has really some steady patterns which used to repeat very often. So Wyckoff accumulation, we have 2 Wyckoff accumulation process number 1 and accumulation process number 2. So this is one of the process. So when we see such accumulation range, we have 5 phases: phase A, B, C, and here is a spring position. That's the absolutely perfect setup. This is a trap for investors set by the large investors. They always going with the price here to check if there is still supply in market. If there is supply, they vacuum everything. And the phase C, the spring position, is very hard characteristic, because after the spring, market is going to the phase D, and we can see a very high, like very fast rally to the upside of the range. And here we have a consolidation in a upper line. What is this consolidation? I will tell you in a bit, but have a look. Market did such rally, break out, go back to the range, and right now we have again sideways range, but it's not typical range. Here, what I see, it is typical accumulation, okay? Accumulation, and right now the cluster of the closes are very interesting, because on the last session, which was 24th of March, market, if you can see, did something like that: close, close, close on the higher position, same position, close, higher close, boom, we break it, break to the upside. And today, on the today session, we still have 1 hour 10 minutes to today's session. I think that the rally right now market is quite well prepared to go to the upside. But I told you that what we are doing, we are studying the force here. So maybe you are not so familiar. You can say, hey, what are you talking about? What is the spring accumulation? What it really means? Yeah, so let's go further and let's study this chart. So this volume, the typical volume, which is available on every platform, can only detect us the exact place when the smart money is stepping in on a single session, but we don't know, because here we cannot judge what is going here on this wave, where are the money. So have a look on this. That's why I'm using the cumulative volume, which is also Wyckoff cumulative volume, which is also available on volumedaytrader.com. Or if you want to use it on TradeStation, you can use also the Waze volume, which is available there. So let me just maybe remove this number first, okay, to not make you... Yep, so we can use the histogram only, And let's see, this is volume on the wave. So have a look. Very strong selling volume came here. We see it on the histogram, but there was no the big selling action. Okay, the big one, the biggest one, since market reached this low. Here we have the heavy sell off. Okay, but there was no big effort, no result. So there was no result in the price because we couldn't manage on this wave a new low. So someone was selling here, the next panic came here, and volume was vacuumed by the smart investor. How do we know it? Because as I told you that here there is, if such big sell-off came here, if the buyers wouldn't be there, the price probably would drop, much more than we can see a few days later. For me, it is only the trap. The market is checking if there is still supply, but as we see, there is no more supply, and the big volume is coming here on this wave, and on this wave, and here on this wave. Absolutely huge volume right now. So we can see on the histogram, since we start to this side range here, buyers step in. Of course, here the buyers did the action, and in this area, smart money already are in the game. And what they did recently, this is absolutely interesting. Have a look. Here on this small wave, market try to, okay, let's go closer. Okay, I will just present maybe in this way. We can put some lines here. We can describe this range. Okay, maybe it's not super horizontal right now. It's supposed to be okay. Let's do a new parallel here. Let's put it here, and we got a range here. Look at the closes. The heavy volume was played here. What does it mean and how to interpret it? Market tried goes high. The short sellers came again on the market. Market couldn't manage go high. We tried to go high, couldn't manage. Market even few times, like here, try to goes down, but the buyers step in again. So we create some kind of the wave, taking this close and generate a very heavy down volume, but everything was absorbed. And look at the closes here. The closes were on similar like level around 1250. And market finally tried to break to the downside and form such kind of the range. And since that day, exactly 20th of March, market has a chance to go down but couldn't. The sellers step in on the beginning of the session, trade to this point, and close the session close to the high, daily high. And then look at the closes. That's very important. Once we're studying the chart, it's absolutely important to look at the closes. 1218, 1238, 1238, same close, 1245, and finally 1269. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 days in a row where the closes are higher, and finally we break. What is the story on the left side? The story on the left side is that we already have, maybe we also supposed to put some line here. It would be, okay, it's absolutely perfect. So the story is that we have accumulation, which happens here, okay? Market break to the upside, test this accumulation, and right now this is a strength of the sign of strength, and we're supposed to break it this week. So today we have a Monday, 27th of March 2023, when I record this video just before US session. So I'm pretty sure that I'm sure I don't want to short this stock. That's the first decision. The second decision when I'm gonna go long and where this stock can lead us to. So wow, there is a potential, and such analysis we are doing in our academy, volumedaytrader.com, where all those bunch of indicators are available. But also, what is important, our trend indicator. Let's have a look on the trend indicator. Already here is a Canadian dollar. Absolutely, when the indicator changed the color, we have absolutely great indicator here, but it's not about the Canadian dollar. Sorry guys for that. And DFH, let's go here, daily. It works absolutely good on a daily and 15-minute chart. You see, anytime the indicator change color here, we have down move or up movement here. So market is ready right now. Market is very well prepared to go to the higher level. So everything is confirmed by indicator here. All lines are turned. This indicator combine prices, volume all together, okay, and show us when the market is in a buy position or sell position. An indicator also which is available here with volume indicators, cumulative volume indicators, all together give us a sign to go up. And this stock right now costs $12.69. That was a close from the last session, and close was, yes, $12.69. And today S&P since the morning on European session is trading quite well. The session is on plus. We can check it. So S&P 500 right now is 4,028. Close from last Friday was 4,125. So as you see on European session, we went a little bit higher. So what we expected, that the market's supposed to, even we have a bad information right now, a bunch of bad information on the market regarding the banking system, a lot of fear, but still we expect the S&P today or maybe tomorrow will be trying to trading to the upside. And but regarding our pick from US market, I mean the US stock DFH, we are bullish on this asset. Thank you very much. I encourage you guys to subscribe us if you like this video, and if you would like to share it, it would be our pleasure. Subscribe, share it, like it, and all the best on the market. Thank you. Bye-bye.